Are you troubled by the uncertainty of traditional manual trading investment methods? Do you aspire to have a versatile trading system to face complex and volatile market environments? Today, your waiting is over. The new quantitative trading system we bring combines with a professional technical team to monitor market changes in real time. Making the fastest strategic solution service will be a crucial step towards your success. Our quantitative trading system is the most advanced and comprehensive trading platform in the market. It includes elements such as a long-short double open strategy, precise currency market monitoring, and risk-free arbitrage. Empowering finance through technology, unleashing your investment potential. Multi-year double opening strategy. Our quantitative trading system has been uniquely optimized and improved for the long-short double opening strategy. In cooperation, it is comprehensively analyzed by teams from multiple professional technical departments, such as market analysis, data modeling, risk control evaluation, etc. Whether the market rises or falls, as long as it remains volatile, our quantitative strategy can accurately predict and execute decisions accordingly. No longer afraid of market uncertainty, as our strategy and team can adjust in a timely manner based on the market to help you earn profits without risk. Deep virtual currency market analysis. Our system keeps up with the trend of the times, independently develops new quantitative technologies, and deeply explores and analyzes the market trend of virtual currencies. We have professional models to predict the fluctuations in the virtual currency market, providing the latest and most accurate entry time for quantitative operation. Risk-free arbitrage. In complex and ever-changing financial markets, our system has a unique risk-free arbitrage strategy. Our system will monitor and utilize small market fluctuations in real time to obtain returns without risk. Our professional technical team monitors market analysis data throughout the process to ensure that you are always in a favorable investment position. Artificial intelligence-driven, our system utilizes the latest artificial intelligence technology to comprehensively interpret and predict financial markets through big data and deep learning, providing strong support for your investment decisions. Our quantitative trading system not only helps you achieve stable returns in complex financial markets, but also allows you to feel the charm and convenience brought by technology during the investment process. Let's move towards a new era of investment together and enjoy the endless possibilities brought by quantitative trading.